So I'm hoping that next year, when EWMA are in Gothenburg, that you'll be able to join me for a workshop which is on how to read a paper. So the aim of the workshop will be particularly for the novice researcher, person who's starting out, to give them the confidence in being able to pick up like a randomized controlled trial. And through the workshop we will help them to understand who the population are, who the sample are in the study. Then they will take the data from that paper, make a 2x2 table. We'll help them to understand and calculate a relative risk, and also to understand what a p-value is and what confidence interval is. What we find is that many people, particularly novice researchers, go straight to conclusions or to the abstract and take everything from there. So this is to give them the confidence to be able to go into the paper and extract the data themselves. And through that, make a determination, do the author's conclusions match those that are within the results of the paper. So I'm hoping you'll be able to join us in Gothenburg for that.